So, Banvi, in Shobha Sanctuary, you've got some really incredible townhouses and villas. Can you touch on that and also tell our investors why it makes investment sense?
Most definitely. So the first and the most important thing across all our projects is that we focus on exclusivity.
Okay.
What I mean by that is if you look at the land size here, which like I mentioned, roughly around 37.5 million square feet, on that we are only building 2,200 units of
Okay.
the townhouse twin villas and standalone villas
Right,
included.
right.
So what that does is it focuses a lot on open spaces.
Right.
As the name suggests, we are focusing a lot on open space. We're planting more than 50,000 trees
Right.
across the whole project. We're anticipated to put almost 800,000 square feet of park all across.
Okay.
So what that, like I said, the idea is that the exclusivity stands out massively here. Now, we've got multiple clusters, as you can see.
Yeah, yeah.
In each cluster, we've got a mix of townhouses, twin villas, and standalone villas.
Yeah.
The townhouses come in multiple layouts.
Yeah.
So another very big advantage for the investor is they can pick and see what they are more comfortable
What makes
with.
sense, yeah.
Whether they're looking at from strictly from an investment standpoint or from an NU standpoint, they can pick and choose between the layout
Right,
sizes.
right.
The sizes are typically start at roughly around 2,500 square feet
okay.
as the build-up, on roughly around 18 to 1900 as the plot
Size,
for
okay.
the townhouses.
So quite large.
Quite big.
Right.
The standalone villas are even better
Of course.
because they of course come with their
Yeah.
own internal pool.
Yeah.
And they start at roughly around 4,100 to 4,200
Okay.
square feet
Right.
for the build-up and similar plot
Okay.
size.
What's the sort of price for the townhouse that you mentioned?
The townhouse start only at 3.99
Oh,
million.
wow. So then
And to add to
opportunity.
that, like I was mentioning earlier, the payment plan is very, very flexible.
Right. What is it?
We're talking only about 60% to be paid during construction
Right.
and 40% at handover.
Right.
What we've launched so far gets handed over in 2029. So we
Okay.
have another 3 years.
More than
to
enough
make the
time for
payments
people
very,
to
very
deploy
slowly
their
and very
capital. Yeah.
comfortably.
Makes sense.
Absolutely. Another thing I want to point out here very quickly is that if you notice the design of
Yeah.
the master community,
Yeah.
what you'll see is that none of the townhouses or villas will have their back touching another ones.
Okay.
They're all single row. So none of them will be looking into another individual's apartment
Right.
or unit.
Yeah, because a lot of families coming into Dubai, they ask for single row townhouses.
Privacy is taken care of completely here.
Right, right. So that makes sense. That makes sense. Right. Thank you for that explanation.
Of course.
So, guys, if you consider Shobha as your next investment, reach out to us and we're happy to help you.